The intricate dance of life on Earth is influenced by the delicate balance of ecosystems. However, this balance is being disrupted by the changing climate, opening new avenues for disease transmission and parasite proliferation among wildlife populations. As temperatures rise and ecosystems shift, the link between climate change and the spread of diseases becomes increasingly evident. This phenomenon raises questions about how changing conditions influence disease dynamics, the challenges faced by wildlife in adapting to new threats, and the potential impacts to both animal populations and human health. Climate change as a catalyst for disease. Imagine a warmer world where habitats shift and disease-carrying organisms thrive in new environments. Climate change provides the perfect stage for diseases and parasites to exploit these changing conditions. Warmer temperatures can extend the range of disease vectors like mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas, allowing them to spread diseases to regions where they were previously uncommon. This expansion creates new opportunities for diseases to jump between species and cross geographic boundaries. Influence on disease dynamics. Consider a scenario where a warming climate leads to more frequent and intense rainfall. This excess moisture creates ideal breeding grounds for disease-carrying mosquitoes. As a result, diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus can spread more easily. The life cycle of parasites can also be affected. Warmer temperatures might speed up their development, leading to more frequent and severe infections. Additionally, changes in temperature and humidity can impact the survival of pathogens in the environment, affecting their ability to infect hosts. Challenges faced by wildlife. Wildlife populations that have evolved in specific environments and under certain disease pressures may be ill-equipped to deal with the emergence of new diseases. Imagine a species of frog that has lived in a cool and moist environment for generations. If a disease-carrying fungus spreads due to changing climate conditions, the frogs might not have the necessary immunity to fight off the infection. Similarly, species with limited mobility or small populations might struggle to escape the spread of diseases. Impacts on animal populations and human health. The consequences of disease transmission in wildlife populations can be far-reaching. As diseases spread, animal populations can experience declines or even face extinction. These losses can disrupt ecosystems, affecting everything from predator-prey relationships to the health of plant communities. Moreover, diseases that affect wildlife can sometimes spill over to domestic animals and humans, posing risks to public health. Consider a case where a disease affecting migratory birds also infects chickens on a nearby farm. This can lead to economic losses for farmers, as well as the potential for the disease to mutate and affect humans. The Ebola virus, for example, has been linked to the hunting and consumption of infected wildlife. Climate change can amplify these risks by creating conditions conducive to the spread of diseases to new areas. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Understanding the connection between climate change and disease spread is crucial for designing effective strategies to mitigate the impacts. Surveillance and monitoring. Early detection and monitoring of disease outbreaks in wildlife populations can help prevent their spread to domestic animals and humans. Habitat protection. Conserving natural habitats can help maintain the balance of ecosystems and reduce stressors that can weaken animal immune systems. Vaccination and treatment. Developing vaccines and treatments for wildlife diseases can be essential for preventing outbreaks and protecting vulnerable populations. Climate resilience. Enhancing the resilience of ecosystems to climate change can help reduce the susceptibility of wildlife to disease by maintaining their natural habitats. Global collaboration. Addressing the challenges posed by the intersection of climate change and disease spread requires international cooperation to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. The intricate interplay between climate change, disease transmission, and wildlife populations underscores the urgency of addressing these complex challenges. As temperatures rise and ecosystems transform, the emergence of new diseases and the spread of existing ones pose threats to both animal populations and human health. Conservation efforts that focus on protecting habitats, monitoring disease dynamics, and developing mitigation strategies are essential for preserving the health of ecosystems and the species that rely on them. The health of our planet is intricately linked to the health of its inhabitants, human, animal, and plant alike, and addressing these interconnected challenges is essential for a sustainable future. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.